period we have seen the insolvency of the acceptor. Okay, so when a person becomes insolvent, when he is unable to pay his liability on the due date. Okay, so at the time of insolvency, so we will get some partial amount. Okay, remaining amount is bad debt. So we said the journal entry in the books of drawer, bank account debtor, bad debt account to drawer, bank account debtor, bad debt account to drawee. Okay, not drawer, to drawee. In the books of which one? Drawee, drawer account to bank account to deficiency. Then one thing you have to remember, if any insolvency is there, first we have to cancel. We have to cancel the old bill. Then entry will be bank account debtor, bad debt account to drawing. Okay, so I think that we are doing one problem. So we completed the journal entries in the books of drawer. Is it correct? Yes. So now we will do journal entries in the books of drawing, and we will prepare which account, B's account we will prepare. Okay. So in one question, only journal entry in the books of drawer and drawing. Otherwise, journal entries in the books of drawer and prepare the drawing account. So we will continue the same problem. So now we will do journal entries in the books of B. Journal entries in the books of B. Journal entries in the books of B. So now we have to look the journal entries in the books of drawer. Journal entries in the books of drawer we have to look. So first entry there we wrote B's account added to sales. So their sales, so here purchase. So 1/1/2018 purchase account debtor to, just opposite, their sale here purchase account to S account being purchased goods from A, being purchased goods from A. So amount is 20,000, same amount 20,000. Amount 20,000. Second entry, so we wrote bills receivable account to Y in the books of drawer. So here bills payable 1/1/18. Next entry as account debtor to bills payable being acceptance received, being not received, acceptance given, being acceptance given. Being acceptance given. Next, third one, discounting only. 1st February, a discounted. Narration you have to look on that, discounted. So in the books of drawing, any entry, any jewelry, Anila, in the books of drawing, discounting.
Sir, I don't have question.
Yes. You don't have question? So already we wrote the journal entries in the books of drawer. Discounting, no journal entry. Okay, no need to write. Next one. Aparna, next entry. Narration what? Dishonor.
So B's account debtor to bank account.
Okay, that is bill dishonored. So in the books of drawing, what is journal dishonor? Then noting charge also there. So what is the journal, Aparna?
Some bills payable account debtor, noting charge account debtor to
Yes,
um, um, X account.
yes. So here S account. So date maturity date only. So 3 months. So for same date only for 3 months. For 18 dishonor narration. If you look, then you can understand bills payable, account debtor, noting charges, noting charges, account debtor to S account, to S account, bill amount 20,000, noting charge 50. So 20,000 50 being bill cancelled and noting charge adjusted. Noting charges paid by bank. So now they have to give that amount. Bills payable account debtor, noting charge account to A. So next entry, Aditya, next entry in the books of drawer.
Cash account to B's account.
Yes, cash account to B. So here what is entry? There cash account to B. So here what is entry? There cash received, here cash paid. So entry will be
A's account.
so here entry will be yes, S account to cash, S account to cash, being cash paid, being cash paid to A. So amount it is given 8,000 and the same amount 8,050. Next, Karthik, next entry in the books of drawer.
B accounted to interest.
Yes, so here
Interest accounted to A.
interest account to A. Interest account debtor to S account, being interest payable, being interest payable. Next, Tomlin, next entry in the books of drawer after interest. After interest, next journal entry in the books of drawer. After B account interest, next entry.
Sir, bills receivable account.
Yes, bills receivable account to A. So here what is entry?
B.
Their bills receivable. So here,
Bill payable.
so journal entry you tell acceptance given to A. Their bills receivable. So here, tell this journal entry.
A account.
Yes.
Bills. A account to bills payable account.
As accounted to bills payable. Interest 240, no? Bills payable. Being New acceptance given. Being new acceptance given. So amount 12,240. 12,240. 12,240. Being new acceptance given. Okay, so you have to look the narration, then opposite in the books of drawing. Aparna, next entry in the books of drawer, date also you tell.
Sir, 7 6
7
18.
6
7, yeah, 7 6 18.
entry you tell in the books of drawer.
Sir, B's account debtor to bills receivable account.
Okay, B's account means bill dishonored.
Yeah, yes, sir.
The new bill only dishonored. So here what is entry you tell in the books of drawing? Bill dishonored, no noting charge. So entry will be
Sir, bills payable account debtor to
yes,
A's account.
yes, bills payable account to A's account. So date 6. Date 6 6th.
Sir,
June.
no, 7 6 18.
Okay, 7 6 18. Bills payable account to bills payable account to A's account being to bill cancelled, otherwise dishonored, anything you can write. So same amount 12,000 to 40, 12,000 to 40. So next one, Karthik, in the books of drawer, what is entry?
Bank account debtor, bad debt account debtor to B account.
Yes, bank account debtor, bad debt account to B's account, means insolvency, part payment received. So here what is in the entry?
A account debtor, A account debtor to bank account to deficiency.
Yes, A's account debtor to bank account to deficiency account being amount paid to A in full settlement of his account. In full settlement, there is no. On full settlement. So already we wrote amount. So 12,240 only. Out of that, how much we given? 4,896. Then deficiency 7,344. Already we wrote the same amount you can write. You have to write. Okay, past journal is in the books of drawer and draw is over. Okay, for insolvency, this one, cancel and part payment paid. So one thing you have to remember, if it is a renewable bill means cancel means symbol only, so that you have to opposite you have to write. This entry opposite. In the books of drawer also, you look bills receivable account to B. So if it is dishonored, bills which one? B is accounted to bills receivable. Now we have to make a journal entry, ledger B's account. B's account we have to make ledger. Date particulars amount, date particulars amount. Debit, credit. B's account. So for preparing B's account, only we need the journal entries in the books of A. So in that only B's transaction. So you have to look the journal entries in the books of B. First, Anjo, first journal entry. In the books of drawer, in the books of A, first journal entry,
To sales.
B's account to sales. Yes, very good. To sales. To sales. Date 1/1/2018. In that entry, B's account to sales. So B is debit. So to sales. 20,000. Next, second entry. Second journal entry. Karthik, second journal entry. Where it will come?
Sir, bills receivable account to B.
Yes. So where it will come?
By bills receivable.
Yes.
Credit side.
By bills receivable. By bills receivable 20,000. Next, Aditya, third one.
To bank account.
Third entry will come.
To bank account.
Yes, third entry will not come because that is discounting the bill. Is it correct? Bank account at discount account to bills receivable. No B is there. So next, correct answer only April 4th to bank account. To bank. To bank amount it is 20,050. Very good. Next, Aparna.
So next is by cash account.
By cash account, because cash account to bank, cash account to B, so B is credit. B is credit by cash. By cash 8,050. Next, Tomlin. Interest entry. Next, where it will come? Tomlin, interest entry. Where it will come?
To interest.
Yes, to interest. To, because B is account to interest, B debit. So to interest 240. Next, Anjo Sibi, next one.
By bills receivable.
Yes, by bills receivable. By bills receivable. Bills receivable account to B, so by bills receivable. Next, Aparna.
So next by bank account and by bad debt account.
Now, before that, cancelling is there, no? June 7. This one 4th April only. Bill acceptance received only we wrote. After that, next entry,
Okay, sir. So to bills receivable account.
yes, to bills receivable. Okay, to bills receivable 7/6. To bills receivable 12,240. Next, Aditya, last entry.
By bank account and by bad debt account.
Yes, by bank, by bad debt. For one credit, for the one credit, for there will be 2 debit. So by bank, by bad debt. 4,896. 7,344. So total you have to find, then you tell me the answer. So here two sides should be equal because insolvency only, full settlement. Hello. Okay. $52,530. Okay. 52,530. $52,530. Okay. So here we did journal entries in the books of drawer, in the books of drawing, and prepare piece account. Now next question. Past journal entries in the books of both the parties. Journal entries in the books of A. Same pattern only. So you will get revision. Journal entries in the books of A. So you look the question. A sold goods to the value of rupees 12,000 to B for 3 months. Dated 1st July 2018. July only sold goods. 4th August. So next month discounted the bill with his banker. So discounting 5%. So 2 months you have to take for calculating discount because 3 month only date of the bill, but 1st July, next 4th August only we discounted the bill. So 2 month discount you have to calculate. At maturity bill was dishonored with 10 rupees 10 expenses, means noting charge 10 rupees. B paid 3,000. B paid 3,000. B paid part payment 3,000 and gave another bill at 3 months for the balance at 6% interest. Okay, be given 6,000. Then new bill, that new bill how to prepare with interest. So you have to calculate interest, but before maturity, he had become insolvent and ultimately paid his creditors 70 paisa in the rupees, means 75% only of that amount only he given to A. Past journal entries in the books of both the parties. Okay, so here old bill, then renewal, then insolvency. Same pattern only, but here part payment only 3,000. Part payment 3,000 only. So interest calculation on the base of balance amount. So we have to consider noting charges, that we will do. Then you will understand. So first one, 1st July 2018. B account debtor to sales. Being sold goods to B. 12,000. Next, bills receivable account debtor. Bills receivable account debtor to B's account, being acceptance received. Being acceptance received. Being acceptance received. Same amount. Next, it is given 4th August, he discounted the bill. Aditya, journal entry, discounting the bill.
Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable.
Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable account. To bills receivable account. Being bill discounted with the bank. So here you have to calculate the discount. 12,000 into discount percentage, it is given 15%. No, 12%. No, 5%. Sorry, 5%. 5%. Then discounted to maturity date. How many months? So July only draw the bill for 3 months. August only discounted. So remaining month 2/12. 2/12. Hundred. Hundred will get. Okay, 12,000 into 5%. Okay, into 2/12. 2/12 because the discount date to maturity date. Then renewal. renewal. So next entry, Aparna. First cancel. This is discounted bill, journal entry.
Sir, B's account debtor to bank account.
Yes, B's account to bank account. So date from drawing the bill. So 3 months. So 4/10. 4/10/2018. 4/10/2018. 4/10/2018. B's account debtor to bank account. B's account to bank account. Being bill cancelled and noting charges paid by B, paid by bank. So 20,000, 12,000 is the amount of the bill. 12,000 is the amount of the bill with the noting charge. 12,010. Okay, 12,000 plus noting charge. Next, so we cancelled. Part payment is there. It is given. B paid 3,000. Karthik, next entry. He will receive amount from B.
Cash account debtor to B.
Yes, cash account debtor to B. Cash account debtor to B's account. Being cash received from. So question you have to look on that basis. How much amount? It is given 3,000. And the remaining I gave another bill. Received from B. 3,000. Next, interest. How to calculate interest? So we know that entry will be B's account debtor to interest. Being interest receivable. Being interest receivable. So here how to calculate interest? You have to look at bill dishonored with noting charge. He have to give 12,010. Out of that, he given part payment 3,000. Noting charge they didn't give. So remaining amount. So we will get 9,010. Clear? 12,010 B have to give to A with the noting charge. Out of that, he given part payment 3,000. No noting charge. So last question, noting charge also given. So here noting charge not given, only 3,000. So 3,000 only given. So 9,010. So how to calculate interest? 9,010 into discount percentage is given 6%. 6 by 100 into period of new bill. Period of new bill. Period of new bill, how much? 3 months into 3 by 12. Into 3 by 12. Clear? So point will come. 3%. One 35 point something to come. You have to write the round figure 135. No need. 0.5 something means 136 we can write here. Okay, below 0.5 only. So 135. Okay, so how to calculate? 9,010 into 6% into 3/12. Next, new bill. Next new bill, we know that entry will be Aditya. Next entry. Next bill amount means balance plus interest. New bill. Gave another bill for the balance with interest. Balance we know that 9,010 plus interest plus interest plus interest. New bill. So same date 4/10/18 bills receivable account debtor to B's account 9,145. Okay, being new acceptance received. Being new acceptance received. Okay, new bill. Cancelled part payment, interest. Interest how to calculate? Balance amount into percentage into period of new bill. Okay.